I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake biscuit. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Ensure all dry ingredients are well mixed before proceeding to the next step. This foundational blend is crucial for the biscuit's texture and rise. Next, incorporate the cold butter into your dry ingredients using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of milk and 1 large egg. Gently add this wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring just until a soft dough forms. Overmixing can lead to tough biscuits, so be gentle. Now, lightly flour a clean surface and turn out your dough. Gently pat or roll it to a thickness of about 3/4 of an inch. Use a 2-inch round cutter to create your biscuits, re-rolling scraps only once or twice. Arrange them about 1 inch apart on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in your preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, transfer your delicious cake biscuits to a wire rack to cool for about 5 minutes. They are best enjoyed warm, perhaps with a dollop of butter, a spoonful of jam, or even a drizzle of honey. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. These tender, fluffy treats are perfect for breakfast or a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.